Hello guys, this video will show a nice little tip you can use that will spice up your extrusions and the interesting shapes you're able to create.
But real quick guys, if you're looking for what I consider to be the best 3D modeling tutorial on the internet, I recommend checking out my Udemy course. It's got tutorials on Blender, 3ds Max, CAD programs such as Plasticity and Moai 3D, and a lot of ZBrush as well. So if you want to master a variety of programs to really bring your skills up to the next level and master 3ds Max, Blender, ZBrush, and Plasticity, be sure to check out that course. Link is in the description. Let's continue.
So first what I'm going to do here guys, I'm going to go ahead and make some cuts here. And I'm going to go ahead and create like some interesting shape that we can select and extrude. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select this, and I'm going to go ahead and use face to kind of move this like that. Alright, so now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and select these faces here. Alright, so now we've got that guys, what can we do with this? Well, of course we can go ahead and extrude it, but it will be kind of rather plain here, right? I mean, kind of have this going on here. We can also, use hinge from edge to get maybe something like that, or in a different direction. But here's what I want to show you guys here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and bevel with an amount of 0. So we're not going to have it be outwards or inwards, just perfectly 0. It'll bevel or extrude. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and apply FFD. And now what we can do is select this and kind of move this, we can move this like forward here. Right, then we can select this and kind of move it back. So what we get guys is this more interesting version. It's kind of like this hybrid between extrusion and hinge from edge. And so it allows us just to kind of create some really interesting shapes here after the very basic extrusion. So it allows us to really experiment with a lot more fun shapes here. As you can see, after that, we now create this much more interesting shape here. We can further exaggerate this. What if we further move this out, for example? And then we can go on top of here and maybe set up some quick loops here. I'm not really using creases right now. As you can see, guys, we get the potential for much more interesting shapes and designs if we do that. Let me give another example down here. Alright, once again, bevel or extrude with 0, and then FFD right afterwards. As you can see guys, we have a potential for much more interesting extrusions and shapes if we use this. Alright guys, be sure to check this. Alright guys, be sure to try out this technique. Extrude with 0 and then do a little bit of FFD. Alright, thank you for watching and take care.